Welcome to the installation video of the Aries Ascent Step running boards. These instructions will show the general steps needed to install the running boards onto any truck application. For this demonstration, we are using a GMC Sierra 1500. To begin, identify the mounting locations underneath the vehicle on the driver's side as shown here. Also, identify each bracket. Depending on your application, they may be specific to certain mounting locations. In this application, they are universal. Starting with the front mounting location on the driver's side, attach the corresponding bracket to the vehicle using the included hardware. Snug the hardware, but do not fully tighten. Repeat this process for the remaining driver's side brackets. For a clean overall look, you can install the optional VersaTrack bracket covers. These bracket covers are not required to install the Ascent Step. To install the VersaTrack bracket covers, place the inner bracket trim on the VersaTrack bracket, followed by the outer bracket trim over the top. Align the slots in the bracket trim to the slots in the VersaTrack bracket. Repeat this process for the remaining side brackets. Carefully position the running board onto the brackets. Place the mounting plates into the track of the running board. Slide the plates along the track to align with the mounting brackets on the vehicle. Secure the running board to the mounting bracket using 2 hex bolts with lock washers and flat washers. Adjust the running board to the desired location. With the running board in position, tighten all the brackets to the vehicle first, followed by the running board connections. For recommended torque specs, refer to the print instructions. Repeat this entire process for the passenger side of the vehicle. Congratulations on the installation of your new Aries Ascent Step running boards.